Welcome! Today we'll be talking about crochet. Crochet is a famous handcraft. It is about weaving yarn in a particular way, using a particular needle, the crochet hook. Crochet hook is a metal needle, with a hook at its end. Crochet appeared in the 19th century in Europe. It was a flourishing home industry, and they preferred crochet over lace as it was cheaper. Then it developed and spread all over the world. It has gained huge popularity with books and magazines full of patterns and always full of new ideas. The traditional image of crochet has changed a lot, when we used to see grandmothers knitting a doily or a shawl. Crochet now is used in almost everything in our life. It's used in home decor, toys, kids' clothes, bags, etc. Crochet tools are pretty simple, only yarns and crochet hooks. Crochet yarns differ in fabric, thickness and colors. They come in various colors, thicknesses and fabrics. As for crochet hooks, they are either steel, which are usually of small sizes, used with thin yarns to make doilies or lace-like fabrics, or aluminium, and their sizes range from 2.5 to 9 mm. Hooks come also in wood and plastic, but the aluminium are more common. On the yarn balls, there is usually a label indicating the fiber type. It also indicates the gauge of the hook that will be used. So, after determining the type of fiber and the gauge indicated, we can determine the suitable hook. This yarn, for example, is 25% wool and 75% acrylic. Here, I have two symbols for hooks. The one we'll always be using for crochet is the single hook. The double hook symbol is for knitting. So, we'll always focus on the single hook symbol gauge. So with this yarn we'll be using 7 mm hook. Like this one. I have this yarn too. The label says it's 75% acrylic and 25% wool. The single crochet symbol gauge here is 5.5. Like this one. Another yarn yet, like this one, is 55% cotton and 45% acrylic. The suitable gauge ranges from 2 to 4 mm. So, we can use a 2.5 mm hook or 3 mm hook. This was an introduction to crochet. We introduced the tools and how to choose the suitable hook for your yarn. According to the yarn thickness and the information indicated on the yarn ball label. In the upcoming videos we'll start learning crochet step by step. Learning about stitches and all that is new about crochet. See you!